Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change voices of the spoken content on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, these are going to work the same. So, what you want to do is to go to the settings, then go to the accessibility. Then you want to go to the spoken content and what the spoken content is and every other settings and other here and also every other. We have another video on our channel about that, so be pleased to search for that videos to get to know what the spoken content is. So if you want to change the voices, so go to the voices and here you are going to find the languages and the voices of those languages. So in English, in my case now this is Daniel, and here you can select those voices. So let's go to the English, for example, and it works the same to every other languages. So go to the English and then let's say that you want to type, for example, the English United States or the UK. I'm going to choose Siri. So let's go to Siri and here you can play the sample of the voice.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
As you can see, and if you type the specific voice, you're going to select the voice and the tick is going to be right next to it. So from this time, the spoken content voice of the English is going to be Siri voice 1. So let's say I want to change for maybe Czech right now, and as you can see we do have two voices with two versions. And
Dobrý den, jmenuji se Zuzana, jsem český hlas.
as you can see now we have for Czech Zuzana, and we can select, for example, enhance, but we need to get this downloaded. So wait a second. Now as you can see it is downloaded, and once you have a tick next to the specific voice, this is going to be selected. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!